Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show, hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tefleezy Fosheezy. It's very red and bloody today. We asked this question a couple weeks ago, and we asked whether if it's a market correction or the start of the crash, right? So we're still in the early stages of it all. Again, in order for this to count as a correction, we need to get below the EMA 50 from a technical aspect. And if it bounces, then that was a correction. But if it dips lower, then yeah, we're in a crash. But nothing really catastrophic has happened to say that we're in a crash, right? It's not like there was a housing bubble. It's not like there was a stock market bubble. Again, CPI came out. It was okay. It wasn't like catastrophic. So it's not like everybody's jumping ship. I think people are just taking profits off the top. And this is, what we do in order for us to make some money on the momentum downwards. We trade both ways, right? We're not perma bulls. We're not perma bears, right? So the question for today is, right? The question for today is this the crash, John?
Stay tuned to find out.
Stay tuned to find out, right? But before we get to that, make sure that you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you're not noticing this downtrend and bought a put, then up your butt is a foot. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. An 8, yes, an 8. I'll take that any day. How's your day so far, though?
Doing good, man. Hey, we're gonna do a review on Facebook and Netflix.
We're not doing Netflix today.
Oh, that's right. Well, I shorted Netflix, so I made money off of Netflix.
You made money off of Netflix, but we're gonna do Facebook though. We're gonna, definitely do some Facebook. It's totally good day for shorts. Like that's it. Like your longs are now obliterated. Your longs, we're gonna go into either a consolidation period or we're gonna see a couple more red days before we eventually start climbing back up. Right. It's just the nature of the market. It is the ebbs and flows of the market. We talk about this all the time. And it's not that we're coming on a time where it needs to just all the way dump. It's not going to work out like that. It's just needs some breathing room in order for us to go higher. And we're going to show you guys what stocks we want to look at so that you can be prepared and better equipped. So if you guys are interested to find out, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up. Because, John, if they gave us a thumbs down, what street is their mother walking on?
Monument Boulevard.
Monument, you day walkers.
You guys don't know.
Oh, man. Also, make sure that you guys drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover, right? And let's get to it after this intro. All right. As always, let's talk about some member gains. Member gains. Member gains. Member gains. Member gains. All right. So the first one on the list is Tefleezy Fosheezy.
Really?
Hitting Netflix for 520 easy.
Yeah.
Solid move on the Netflix.
Yeah, we spoke about it. I think over the weekend, didn't we?
We did. Again, we're hitting these, and you guys aren't paying attention. So only 3 people really made money off of this, which is me, you, Paco, and maybe the director of sales, otherwise known as Knowledge, probably also. Knowledge also. I love his name.
With a brain emoji.
I know, right? Captain of the ship, J Spees, Zoom call, Zoom puts for 142. SPX for 260. Solid moves, right? Still on the winning streak. Dead Prez called out Tesla for $95. Solid move from our new analyst, by the way. He just got promoted to senior analyst, Dead Prez. He's if you guys aren't aware, he's actually one of our more active members that's on Voice. He's on there at 6:30 in the morning. He's giving us color commentary. Very, very fun person to start your day with trading, right? And Jay's there also. Sometimes you'll catch a celebrity cameo from our very own John over here, but that's a rare occasion. But let's take a look at the stocks that we want to cover. Let's do a review of Netflix, John. Oh no, Facebook. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. Facebook.
Netflix already happened.
I know Netflix already happened, but Facebook looks like it's about to happen.
Yeah, Facebook looks good. I'm liking Facebook. All right, so folks, who is in Facebook? If you are in Facebook Short, most likely, Paco, you are the only person that watches us, along with 2 other people. And if you are in Facebook, congratulations, because most likely you will make bank tomorrow. I closed out Facebook today, slightly on the green side, and then towards midday, I kind of took the position again, where I left it off. So currently, right now, I'm at 7 contracts for October 8th or October 1st. I'm not sure. The 375 puts, I believe. That one currently we're up, I think, about $60 to $100 right now. Tomorrow, what we're going to be looking at is if we do continue this descend. Okay, if you look at the daily chart right here, we did finish below EMA 9. Okay, so that was a good sign for us because it was a buzzer beater. Towards the end, it slightly, it wanted to bounce, okay, towards the end, but it finished below the 9 slightly. So that's a good sign for us. And the reason being is that, if it closes below the 9, you are not fine. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you look at the daily chart right here, the next level of support is around 372-ish. I don't know, 372.50. If it ever touches down there, we should be up a lot. Should be a nice paycheck right here, but most likely this will touch the 20 either tomorrow or Thursday. But really, I was telling you, I texted you earlier about the futures.
They're not looking good.
Yeah, they're not going to be. Yeah, they're not going to do good. If you look at futures for NASDAQ or SPY or the Dow and the SPY already went down. Okay, it already came down. We're just waiting for NASDAQ to come down to the EMA 50, and that's what we need. If it comes down to the 50, and that's it, all your tech stocks all your favorite tech stocks are going to come down with it as well. Waiting for Facebook to come down on the 20, and then cover my position, and then find a reshort. Hopefully, it touches all the way to the 50, but who knows?
Nice. From a scalping and day trading angle, you're looking at the this is a daily chart, by the way. You're looking at a MACD that just crossed yesterday to the downside. We're waiting for this to open up a little bit to the downside. Your divergence candle just turned red. One thing to note today, however, the reason why I didn't take this trade is because it bounced on that price target that I wanted to go below. So personally, I'm not shorting this until it goes below 374.21. Because the reason why is if I take this trade now and it goes sideways, right? I'm not really wanting to take any theta decay. I really want a full flush so I can get in and out of that position. So I'm going to be patient with this. And it still holds true. So as long as it bounces between 374.21 and 380.89, I'm not going to take this trade until I see clear direction. And that's just me personally. That's just my personal trading style. But for a swing trade, if you guys are already in this trade, listen to John. You guys are looking at the EMA 20 touch right here. If it flushes below there, you have more room to the downside. I do like Facebook for a potential like a nice solid short here. Anything else to add?
Good.
Nice. The next stock that we want to talk about is Zoom. So Zoom took a fat dump today.
Yep.
But there's something on the chart that caught my eye, John. Something on the chart that caught my eye. So let me roll the chart on. It is oversold. We are due for an oversold bounce on Zoom, right? It broke previous lows. So all day people were looking for this 289 level. If it broke that, people are going to sell off a lot more, which definitely happened today. So it took that massive bear hammer today. From a Bollinger trading standpoint, we're still ways to 260, 268, right? Are we going to make that 20-point move? Most likely not. That's crazy, right? But since we are at an RSI of below 30, this stock is now oversold.
Yeah, I was watching this one too. I'm going to creep in this one.
Right? I wouldn't swing this either because there's still a scenario where the stock market tomorrow might just give us a dead cat. We were very red today. Usually what happens is people are going to buy the dip essentially, and they're going to get trapped before another sell-off happens.
Yep.
Right. So I think that Zoom has more potential to the downside. Are we going to get there anytime soon? Maybe not tomorrow. Maybe not till Friday. But watch this for a day trade. I would take Zoom anything above 290.79. That's the way I see that. What about you, John?
I'll wait on this one. Yeah, we'll see.
We'll definitely see. So we'll definitely keep this on watch. But that's pretty much it on.
Wait, where's your audio?
Why did that happen?
I don't know.
No. Technical difficulty. Sometimes user error. That's on me. The next stock that we want to cover is a meme stock. The reason why I want to cover the meme stock is because the chart tells me that it's ready to come down hard, fairly hard, right? And that stock is BBIG. Why do you laugh? Why do you jest, John? Why do you laugh?
Why are you even giving this thing any attention? Oh, that looks like a Netflix short right there.
Yeah, right. That's what I said because it's about to come down, John. So if you guys are looking for a cheap trade, right, a very cheap trade, you're looking at BBIG right here. Look at this MACD that just curled, and it's about to cross below the lagging line, right? Although we are no longer overbought, but we're still on this amazing downtrend. And today's candle just gave us a lot more selling pressure. John, would you short this?
On the bounce, your resistance would be the 9. So,
right. So that's the way I see BBIG. I just wanted to give you guys a small little nugget if you guys are looking for a cheap play with market, with the market being a little bearish for tomorrow and for the rest of the week and the rest of the next week, because we are coming across quadruple witching before people rebalance their books, right? The hedge funds aren't going to buy all at once on Friday. So don't expect a scenario where they sell off this week and then buy everything on Friday, right? Because they're going to find value. The hedge funds are going to find value. They're not going to buy anything that's already ran up. I mean, they have the algos too, and they have the quantitative traders to make these decisions for us, right? But anything else that you want to add?
So what you're trying to say is these meme stocks, they're going to run? Is that what we're implying?
No. I'm not saying this meme stock's going to run. I'm saying this.
BBIG.
What do you mean, like AMC, GME? I don't know. I can't really say right now because of the price action that we saw on AMC. That doji that we saw yesterday was definitely a trend change, I feel.
Yeah, possible.
Yeah, that was definitely a trend change. So we'll keep everything on watch. I mean, we have to react to these as we see them. We can't be like proactive, because being proactive in this market and trying to catch the big wave is how do you say this? It's a recipe for disaster and can potentially smoke your longs. Like today, a lot of people bought long, and those positions are just decimated for sure. You're seeing premiums at what, 20 cents?
Yeah.
You're just farther out of the money now. It's just not, it's not a fun time. It's really not a fun time if you're long on, it's a trap, right?
Yeah.
So that's the reason why we should tell you guys what stocks we want to short, is because we also trade to the downside so we can capitalize on some opportunities for downward pressure, right? And that's pretty much it for Daddy Bits. Anything else that we want to talk about?
That's it. We got our last class tonight, and we do have a free seminar tomorrow.
Yeah. Make sure that you guys go there. Friends,
family, cousins, your uncle. If they need help with the stock market, if they need help with their portfolios, tune in tomorrow. Free seminar.
Definitely tune in tomorrow. Free seminar tomorrow. And that's pretty much it. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content, because John, if they give us a thumbs up,
your mom belongs at Monument Boulevard.
Monument Boulevard. On sometimes Willow Pass.
They connect. I mean,
in front of Bond Fair.
Oh God.
Right by Bond Fair. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Hit that. Make sure that you guys drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Also, hit up our friends over at Bustdown Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you're a new trader, don't know where to start, or just want to join a group of active traders that just have your best interests at heart, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bustdown Academy. Also, starting Sunday, we are running a free promotion, free premium chat room for the week, so you guys could see what goes on behind the veil and see if you guys could find value in our interactions in the premium chat room. So make sure you guys hit us up for a DM, and we will give you guys a link for the free premium for a week. And that's pretty much it. Remember, guys, let's get trading. And the stocks, and the charts do not lie. The stocks do not lie. Sometimes they do. Luck and Coffee.
Rigged, man. What are you talking about?
Luck and Coffee, Kodak. They do lie. All right, guys. We got you guys later.